How are we doing today? I am Al Prince, and I'm one of the board members here, and I'm going to be introducing the engineering section. You've heard a little bit about what we're going to be doing, from rocket ships to spaceships to drones and all the exciting things, but also we're going to separate into three different groups this year. We have the elementary group, we'll have the 6th through 8th grade group, and then we'll also have the 9th grade group, the 9th through 12th grade group. Currently, I think we only need, we're only looking for approximately 9 more slots available for the high school groups. So I think you're going to really enjoy engineering this year. You heard what we're going to do. We have a couple of our engineering instructors here. All the way in the back, we have Mr. Sam Denard. And over here, where did he go? Where did he run? There he is behind the pole. We got Richard Monica. And I'm going to let Richard come up and talk to you just for a few minutes about what he's going to bring exciting to the program. I think you're going to really like it. So at this time, Richard Monica.
Let me give you a quick explanation of who I am and why I'm here, because who I am kind of helps out. During the day, I'm a technologist. My job is to basically take technology you have in your pocket, everyday devices, make them do something else that we need in the normal day environment. Like, for example, how many of you lost a TV remote control? How many of you lose your phone during the day? Okay. If you have your phone with you, what if you could control your TV? How often would you lose these devices? Not often, right? The device that goes in the LG phones, these phones that are in here now have an infrared controller in them for the exact same reason. It was one of the things my company came up with, was to put the infrared inside the phone. The other thing we did was, that I do as a part of my day job, is I work on drones, I fly drones. And one of the problems we had was, we've got all these guys out there with these big expensive controllers flying around, then they're looking at their tablet and doing other things. One of the things I came up with and we designed was a way to take the average tablet you're using, and the kids are using for games already, and be able to control not only the drones you can fly in your own house or to get at the store, but also to do things like, for example, how many of you heard that the FAA has given a license to to fly the drones down the pipeline in Alaska? How many of you heard now that you can do drones starting this week, actually, they've given licenses for even filming. Now we can fly drones there. You'll just notice a tongue twister. With core math, it's actually teaching you the basics of what that was. It's actually a math problem. Peter Piper picked a unit of measure of pickled peppers. Again, and at that time, pickled peppers was a way of storing food. How many peppers did Peter Piper pick? Well, you know how many peppers fit in a pack of pickled peppers.
Oh boy.
It's a math problem. And it's something we've lost interest, or lost the goal on, is to solve problems. And I'm hoping that what we're going to do is, and I have the flight simulator there that I can bring up. I teach both sides of the flight simulating. I'm going to teach the drones, not only teach them how to build a drone, how to understand what it does and have less fear of what it really is meant for, but also give them, applying the mathematics, the science, the engineering, but also the verbal skills. Because one of the things we do in incident command, or the FEMA side of it, is we teach people to speak and communicate, which is a huge problem.